A lot of times when someone is involved in a truck crash, victims are shocked to learn that a trucking company only is required to carry a minimum $750,000 in insurance, and that's per crash. So in other words, if there were 8 victims who suffered a death or a catastrophic injury, that $750,000 would have to be divided among those 8 different parties who suffered a loss. The minimum insurance was set as far back as 1980, and it was intended at the time to be raised periodically to compensate for things like inflation. Things get more expensive over time. Healthcare costs, for example. If a victim of a truck crash went to the hospital in 1980, the bill is going to be much higher for that person when they go to the hospital in 2022, yet the insurance is still the same as it was in 1980. And so that's one of the reasons we have advocated that the lawmakers do what the law was intended to do in the first place, to raise those levels to an adequate level of compensation for the victims of truck crashes to the modern levels. If that had been done, the minimum levels today would be at a minimum $5 million. Studies have shown that. And yet the trucking companies are still paying premiums associated with that minimum insurance of $750,000.